Samsung is about to change everything again, and this time it's all about thinness and power. Smartphone makers are going all in on ultra-slim designs this year, and Samsung is clearly leading the charge. After giving us the incredibly sleek Galaxy S25 Edge and trimming down the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the company isn't slowing down. Brand new leaks suggest that every Galaxy S26 model will be thinner than its predecessor. According to tipster Crow_Row, the Galaxy S26, S26 Edge, and S26 Ultra will all adopt a slimmer profile similar to the S25 Edge. While they might not go quite as extreme, all three are expected to feel noticeably thinner in hand, delivering that sleeker, more premium vibe. Now here's the real mystery. How can Samsung make these phones slimmer and still increase battery life like rumors suggest? One possibility is silicon carbon battery tech, which allows higher capacity without bigger size. Even Ice Universe hinted that the S26 Ultra will be both thinner and lighter, though the final battery size is still up for debate. And just when you thought that was the big headline, here comes the bombshell. According to reliable leaker Anthony, Samsung might be working on something we never expected, the Galaxy S26 Ultra Mini. Yep, imagine all the power of a Galaxy Ultra, but in a smaller, easier to hold device. That could completely change the game. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most powerful smartphones we've ever seen. And thanks to trusted leaker Anthony, we now have a clearer picture of what's coming. The main highlights are nothing short of game-changing. The S26 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon chip globally, meaning no more split between regions. Everyone gets the best performance. Samsung is also introducing a brand new display along with full S Pen support to keep the Ultra experience premium and versatile. Camera upgrades are front and center too. A brand new 12-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, an upgraded selfie camera for sharper shots, and a next-generation laser autofocus sensor designed to make every capture lightning fast and crystal clear. And here's the kicker: -16 gigs of RAM is standard. That's not an option, that's the baseline, making the S26 Ultra a true powerhouse built for the future. But Anthony also revealed extra details that push this phone into another league. The S26 Ultra could feature a bigger main camera aperture for stunning low-light photography, a completely new telephoto setup, an AMOLED panel that delivers richer colors with a slightly larger display and faster 60-watt charging speeds, plus a next-gen anti-reflective layer for improved outdoor visibility. And in true Ultra fashion, Samsung is aiming for a design under 8mm thin, slim, sleek, and futuristic. Now let's talk cameras in detail. The Ultra could come with a massive 200-megapixel main sensor with a bigger aperture, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel 5x periscope with enhanced low-light capability, and that brand new 12-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. The S26 Edge is rumored to pack a 200-megapixel main and a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide, while the S26 Pro may bring an all-new 50-megapixel main, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 12-megapixel telephoto setup. If these leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S26 Ultra won't just be another upgrade, it'll be a milestone in smartphone innovation. The real question is, will Samsung finally reclaim the flagship crown with this beast? What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. We're now going to run through the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide which one is right for you, so hit subscribe now, and let's dive right into it. First up, the standard Galaxy S26. It's coming with a 6.2-inch dynamic A&OLED display with improvements in brightness and color accuracy. We get a 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080x2340. The display will be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. For selfies, it has a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the rear, there's a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, but the exact sensors are still unknown. It'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chipset and comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4000 mAh unit with 25 dB fast charging and 15 dB wireless charging. It will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at around $800 in January 2026. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, which may also be known as the S26 Edge. This one will come with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with similar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. You'll get a 120Hz display, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. There's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies. The rear setup includes a dual camera system with a wide and an ultra-wide camera, though the exact sensors are still under wraps. It's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 and will come with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB, UFS 4.0. The battery is a 4,900 mAh unit with 45 DD fast charging and 15 DD wireless charging. It will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. This model will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to be priced from $1,000 in January 2026. Finally, we have the premium model, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This one features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, again with improvements to brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10+, with a resolution of 1440x3120, and it will be protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 3. There have been reports suggesting that this could feature the first ever under-display camera on an S-series phone, likely an 8-megapixel under-display selfie camera. On the rear, it will come with a quad camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope lenses, but the exact sensors are still unknown. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions and will come with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, UFS 4.0. It's packing a 6,000 mAh battery with significant improvements to fast charging. As expected, it will also support 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband. The S26 Ultra will launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16 and is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2026. Overall, it's looking like the Samsung Galaxy S26 series is going to be an exciting release, especially if the Ultra becomes the first S-series phone to feature the under-display camera. Samsung seems to be continuing their strategy of improving and refining their phones, rather than completely redesigning them for the sake of it. And just like all new phones, there will be a major emphasis on software, with AI playing a huge role in the user experience. The launch is still a bit far off, but we can expect plenty of information to leak as we approach the release date. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the latest updates.